This morning what I'd like to try to accomplish is to show you just how dynamic CENTCOM Smalltalk can be. What I've got here is an OpenGL implementation that Michael Lucas Smith has been working on, and you can visit this website right here and it'll show you how this is implemented in C. We've got a migration of that over to Smalltalk, and we're actually linking down to the native OpenGL. We're not re-implementing all that stuff in Smalltalk. So let me go to this lesson 5 and I will open a window, and what this is going to do is it's going to bring a little window like this up to the screen and just show some rotating cubes and a triangle. Not terribly impressive, but the interesting part about this is what happens when I start mucking around with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to this method here and just briefly look around here. You can see there's a red side, there's a green side. Let's take that side of the rectangle that's green and we'll change that to white. I'll just recompile that method, come back here, and you can see it changed. Let's go back down here. Let's muck with the vertices a little bit. Let's change that value to a 0, see what happens. Now if I let this rotate a little bit, you'll see there I've got an opening in the box, and that's because I've changed the values for this while it's running. So even though I've got native application graphics running in OpenGL, I can screw around with them from Smalltalk because it's rotating through this method, and as I change the values, it changes the way I talk to the underlying platform. So Smalltalk is extremely dynamic, and it allows you to muck with things while things are running, and this is a very obvious way of demonstrating this using this little example.